guiding us through this quiz and ensure fairness throughout the session. But before we get into the day of discussion, I would like to invite for an opening remark before we can get inside the program. So we are inviting Malam Muhammad Nasir to the stage for the welcome remarks.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. وبعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. We give thanks to Allah for making us to witness firstly another Ramadan in our life, and secondly another day has already tendered apology, considering the fact that I'm the chairman of this, for of course not keeping to the time due to set, even though for the previous days there are some rules that was broken and was overlooked. This time around, inshallah, the rules are not going to be overlooked. If you don't follow the rules, there will be consequences in terms of recording your point. So without wasting much of our time,
Without wasting our time, I would like to call all the successfully faculties that pass the first level of the program for acknowledgement. Please, if I call your faculty and you are here, you should acknowledge. We have the Faculty of Agriculture. No. You can just say Labbaika or something else so that people can know the ones that are here. Faculty of Arabic and Islamic Studies. Faculty of Education and Extension Services. Faculty of Law. Faculty of Law. Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, Faculty of Social Sciences, Faculty of Physical and Computing Sciences, Faculty of Chemical and Life Sciences, and finally Faculty of Engineering and Environmental Design. MashaAllah, all the participants are highly welcome on board. We urge all the participants to do all their best in order to pass the next stage again. You have successfully passed the first level, and here is the second level, which is a bit harder than the one you passed. So you have to be ready for this one, because this one is not going to be easy as you thought. MashaAllah, I think I should give the mic to the moderators for the program to be commenced as already planned. I think I will handle the mic to the moderators for the commencement of the program. Moderators. Please, let's listen attentively to the program.
should signify whenever he sees anyone visible. Number two, just like we mentioned before, each participant, you can share it or each already answered questions. The last day we
a bit transparent in that regard, but today, inshallah, we are going to be a bit strict on that. If you repeat a question that has already been answered, that question will be eliminated and the point will be eliminated automatically. And like we said, each faculty are going to be asked 5 questions each, and you are required to answer 3 questions, which is minimum of 6 points. Each question carry 2 points. That is, for 5 questions you have 10 points, and you have a minimum of 6 points in order to qualify for the grand final. So each faculty are expected to answer at least 3 questions, right? Then, since we have already mentioned before now that the higher we go, the tougher it's going to become. There is a new rule which states that in a case where a question is expected to, the participant is expected to mention the name, you are required to mention the full name that has been asked. The full name that has been asked. If you ask for the Sahaba,